Welcome to the AI Page Generator. This tool offers two simple ways to get started. Automatic option: paste the URL of the product you wish to sell. The tool will try to download images directly from the product page. If that's not possible, it will automatically generate appropriate images for you. Manual option: provide your own image URLs. Simply right-click the images you want to use on any website, select Copy Image Address or equivalent, and paste those URLs into the Add URLs section. After entering either the product link or your image URLs, click Generate Page. I'll now walk you through demonstrations of both methods so you can see them in action. It's done generating. Now you can click View Product Page. As you can see, the tool has automatically generated an image for your product that closely resembles the original one you're selling. It also includes a full product description, suggests a resale price, and even adds realistic customer ratings, just like you'd see on Amazon. If this isn't quite what you had in mind, or if you'd prefer more control, let's move on to the manual method. This time, start by pasting the product URL, as usual. Then, copy the direct image URLs for each photo you want to use. Right-click the image and select Copy Image Address or similar, and paste them one per line into the Add URLs section. The tool will then use those exact images for your product listing. You now have a product page with the exact images you want to show for your product. You can test the order placement process once you've connected your payment provider, such as Stripe, or added your Bitcoin wallet address to receive payments. If you run into any issues or need assistance, feel free to contact us using the phone number displayed at the top of this page. You're welcome to call or send a text. You can also submit a trouble ticket by clicking the wrench icon at the top. You can quickly find your items using the AI Smart Search in the left menu sidebar. Simply type My Products, and it will guide you directly to your products page. You can easily navigate to any product you want to promote and share on your social media accounts, such as X, for example. The tool will automatically generate the post text and shareable URL for you. It may not automatically attach the product image, but you can simply copy and paste the image directly into X. It works perfectly. Feel free to reach out to us if you encounter any issues, or if there's a feature or function you'd like us to add for you.